Hello everyone, welcome to my channel High Octane Academy. This channel is dedicated to various verticals of education such as CBSC, NTSC, Olympiads, GMAT, GRE, and SAT, CAT, and various government examinations such as Bank PO, SSC, etc. So CBSC, I think you all are aware that is an agency that conducts the board exam for class 10th and class 12th. So we'll take up the whole of the syllabus of CBSC right from the class 6th till class 12th. So basically mathematics and science it will be dealt under this category. Then comes the part NTSC. So NTSC it stands for National Talent Search Examination, which is again an exam that is conducted by NCRT for scholarships during the whole academic life. Then comes the part of Olympiad. So there are many Olympiads such as PRMO, etc. PRMO, that is Pre-Regional Mathematics Olympiad. Then we have RMO also, Regional Mathematics Olympiad. Then we can have GMAT here and GRE. So both of these exams, they are entrance exam for post graduations. So GMAT is an entrance exam for post graduation in management from the foreign country, and GRE it stands for Graduate Record Examination. It is again an entrance examination for the post graduation in science from foreign country. Then comes the SAT exam. So SAT is an exam that is for undergraduate students, and this is an entrance exam for doing graduation from the foreign country. Then CAT is an entrance test for MBA in India, that is from IIMs. And then we have these many government exams also. So we will deal all of these exams under the same channel. And sometimes I'll post the lectures which will be common to all of these exams. And sometimes specific lectures they will also be uploaded which are specific to some specific exam. And the title of the course it will be mentioned on the video. So definitely it will be beneficial for all of you. So please like it, subscribe it, and press the bell button to get notification of all upcoming lectures. Thank you and have a nice day.